This is one of the India's largest mall. This is all wholesale price to direct customers. You will find so many variety with excellent colors. पूरे फर के हैं ये. One of the amazing variety of hairband. If you see, this looks excellent. This looks great. Beautiful, cute rubber bands with all different shape. Here you're going to get it 200 to 290 के range में. आपको कम से कम 15 से 20 variety of pearl में मिल जाएगा. You see this? ये बहुत चलता है आप. So if I tell you about the prices, if we compare with the market, आपको minimum 30%, 40%, 50% market से कम मिलने वाला है. This is very good quality, excellent quality, because once you feel the material, you will know it कि what kind of stuff it this is. These are broad hairbands in trend. ये पूरे नए latest contemporary designs हैं. ऐसा shop आपको कहीं हैदराबाद सिकंदराबाद में नहीं मिलने वाला. Pearl is always in trend, even after 10 years it will be in trend. These are jumbo clutches if you see, but excellent with shimmer, beautiful prints. हमारे पास से विजयवाड़ा से, वाइजाग से, across India से people whenever they visit here, they do visit our shop. All of exclusive one, ordinary नहीं है, बहुत अच्छी quality वाले. I request you just visit once to our shop, you will love it. I'm telling you will love it.
హాయ్ వ్యూయర్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్. ఈ వీడియోలో నేను వచ్చేసాను హైదరాబాద్ ఏఎంబి మాల్ ఉన్నటువంటి మమతా కలెక్షన్స్ వారికి సంబంధించిన స్టోర్ కండి. సో ఈ వ్లాగ్లో కంప్లీట్గా నేను హెయిర్ యాక్సెసరీస్ సంబంధించిన వీడియో నేను చూపించబోతున్నాను. వీళ్ళగా ఎలాంటి కలెక్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి అన్ని కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేసి చూపిస్తాను అనమాట. సో వీళ్ళ స్టోర్ ఎక్కడ ఉందంటే మనకి బాక్స్ ఆఫీస్ ఆపోజిట్గానే ఉంటుందండి. నేను గూగుల్ మ్యాప్ లొకేషన్ కూడా మీకు డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో మెన్షన్ చేస్తాను. కావాల్సిన వాళ్ళు మీరు డైరెక్ట్గా స్టోర్ కూడా విజిట్ చేయొచ్చు. అండ్ అడ్రస్ డీటెయిల్స్, ఫోన్ నెంబర్ డీటెయిల్స్, వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్స్ అన్ని కూడా క్లియర్గా స్క్రీన్ పైన మెన్షన్ చేస్తాను. ఎలాంటి డౌట్స్, క్వైరీస్ ఉన్నా కూడా కాల్ చేస్తే పూర్తి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కూడా మీకు తెలియజేస్తారు. సో ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా ఎలాంటి కలెక్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయో చూసేద్దాం. नमस्ते सर. So आज हमारे व्यूअर्स को क्या कलेक्शंस दिखाने वाले हैं आप?
All right, before we start, my name is Kamal and you have reached Mamta's collection, and today I'm going to show you amazing variety of hair accessories today. So we'll start with hair bands. I'll give you more information later. So let's start the video first, okay? All right. Now I'll show you with this is one of the amazing variety of hair band. If you see, this looks excellent. This looks great. We sell like hotcake. If you go online जाएंगे या offline कोई भी store पे जाएंगे, ये प्रोडक्ट आपको 450 550 से कम नहीं मिलने वाला. बट हियर यू आर गोइंग टू गेट डायरेक्ट होलसेल प्राइस एंड दैट इज गोइंग टू बी 290 rupees. Now this price you're not going to get anywhere. We have amazing colors, combinations, and lot of hair bands in this. You will find so many variety with excellent colors. पूरे फर के हैं ये, बहुत ही बढ़िया. और we are selling like anything now, and believe you me that as far as the price is concerned, it is going to cost you only 290 rupees. You will not get less than 450 or 550. I'll show you some more hair bands now. These are all AD stones ka hair bands. If you see this beautiful variety, you can use it as a regular way, you can use as a party wear. ये बहुत चलता है हमारे पास. ये आपको कोई भी स्टोर में जाओ 350, 390, 350, 320, something like that. But you're going to get it only for 150 rupees. And this is all wholesale price to direct customers. We have thousands of very satisfied customers across Hyderabad, Sikandrabad. हमारे पास से विजयवाड़ा से, वाइजाग से, across India से people whenever they visit here, they do visit our shop because this is one of the old shop. And best part is you get all wholesale price. All wholesale price. I'll show you some more hair bands. If you see, these all are with AD stones, pearl. It looks excellent. It looks great. ये भी आपको कम से कम आप ऑनलाइन जाइए 500 रुपए, 600 रुपए. Believe you me, you go online, you will find very very costly. Here you're going to get it 200 to 290 के रेंज में. आपको कम से कम 15 से 20 variety of pearl में मिल जाएगा आपको. Pearl with stone, only pearl and all. And let me show you some more excellent variety. If you see this hairband, this is one of the beautiful hairband. See, this is with crown. You can wear casual wear, you can wear party wear also. ये बहुत बिकता है हमारे पास, बहुत. We sell like anything, we sell like hotcake. MRP is 450 rupees. You're going to get it only for 250. Will you believe it? You're going to get it only for 250. And this kind of store you will hardly find in India, I'll say. हैदराबाद सिकंदराबाद में आपको ऐसा स्टोर मिलेगा ही नहीं. अगर आपको एक्सेसरीज मिलेगा तो यू विल गेट क्लिप्स एंड ऑल. ओनली दैट. हियर यू कम, यू विल गेट thousands of hair accessories, thousands of variety. Now I'm going to show you some more hair bands. If you see, I'll make it pretty fast because हमारे पास इतनी variety है, मैं customers को जास्ती variety दिखाने की कोशिश करता हूँ. Alright, this is going to cost you only 70 rupees. Market में 150 रुपए का है, 150 rupees का 70 rupees. So if I tell you about the prices, if we compare with the market, आपको minimum 30%, 40%, 50% market से कम मिलने वाला है, and I give you guarantee for the price. I request you just visit once to our shop, you will love it. I'm telling you, will love it. We have thousands of very satisfied customers across Hyderabad, Secunderabad, and they are regular to me. So don't miss the opportunity. Don't miss such shop. You shouldn't miss this. See these kind of hair bands. अगर आप देखेंगे तो bow hair bands है. मैं maximum दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. We have hundreds of variety as far as hair bands are concerned. These are Mickey kind. These are very nice quality. This is first quality. This is very nice premium quality. Now if I show you this is also super running article. Online 650 से कम नहीं मिलने वाला है, but you're going to get wholesale price and that is only 290 rupees. 290 rupees. See this. ये बहुत चलता है, आप रिटर्न गिफ्ट में दीजिए. I mean, customer they come casually, they buy it. Okay, 290 is nothing. Honestly, 290 is like peanuts. I'll show you some more hair bands, and quickly I'll show you so can cover up maximum. All right, see this is beautiful. You want these kind of bands? See, beautiful variety with shimmer and all. These are broad hair bands in trend. ये पूरे नए latest contemporary designs हैं. So I'm showing you as maximum as I can. These are bow ones. We do have mask, but selected ones like embroidery work and all. You come visit here because mask बहुत चलता है. Knot bands are in trend nowadays. Across India, people are selling. Even online, it's fast sellable. We sell like peanuts. We sell like hot cake. I'll show you some, party wear hair bands like crystal hair bands. You see, this crystal आपको 600, 800, 900 रुपए में बेचते हैं. You go big shops, they'll cost not less than 750, 850, 950. We are going to give you a wholesale price. जो normal, shops को supply आता है ना, supply price to direct consumer, and that is going to be only 290 rupees each. ये crystal वाला 290 में आपको dreams में भी नहीं मिलेगा. I give you guarantee. Now if you see here, there are a lot of hair bands, hundreds of hair bands are there. So please visit our shop and explore all the variety. Now I'll show you some more variety in hair accessory. These are all regular clutchers, okay, but very good quality, unbreakable one. All right, these are Honey brand. Honey is one of the best company in the world. Excellent quality. इसमें छोटा है, इसमें इसको these are banana clips. All right, these are clutchers. If you see, I'm making it pretty fast so you explore maximum design. These are amazing clutchers. These are again Honey brand, very nice quality. We have been selling last 10 years. See these kind of clutchers. These are unbreakable clutchers. ये Honey का clutcher है with मीनाकारी work. You will not find such variety anywhere in Hyderabad, Secunderabad. एक आधा variety मिलेगा लेकिन इतनी नहीं मिलने वाली आपको. If you see this is one of the metal clutchers, very nice quality. All right, again these are Ace company का है. Ace company is one of the best companies, unbreakable ones. These are one of the amazing piece of variety you see. All right. Now if I show you these kind of side pins, now these are going to cost you only 70 rupees. Now if you see 100 rupees is MRP, 70 is a sale price. But ये online आपको 150 200 से कम नहीं मिलने वाला है. As far as price is concerned, nothing to worry about the price. Prices are written on each and every box. So and over and above there is a guarantee for the price. These are banana clips with pearl. These are one of the best pieces. I'm showing you maximum variety, so आपको idea आ जाएगा कि ऐसा shop आपको कहीं हैदराबाद सिकंदराबाद में नहीं मिलने वाला. See, this is one of the beautiful varieties. These are jumbo clutchers if you see, but excellent with shimmer, beautiful prints. These are all the latest prints. Excellent quality, excellent, amazing piece of variety. See this. These are again, beautiful, exclusive clutchers are there. These kind of clutchers, beautiful. Now, if I show you more in banana clip बोलते हैं इसको with lock, excellent quality banana clip without lock, this kind. See how beautiful it is. So as far as for women, this is a woman's paradise I can say. Okay, क्योंकि ऐसी हेयर एक्सेसरीज आपको पूरे हैदराबाद सिकंदराबाद कहीं मिलने वाली नहीं है. So you want for regular purpose, you want for marriage purpose. These are all crystals, sir. Crystals with pearls and all. Beautiful variety, amazing variety. This is a clutcher which is again latest, beautiful. We are selling like anything. You get different colors in this. Now if I show you, see these ऐसे clutchers आपको दिखने को नहीं मिलेंगे. ऐसे क्लचेस आपको कहीं पे भी नहीं मिलेंगे. So please visit this shop. We have already thousands of very satisfied customers. Now this is for the people who haven't explored our shop. So I request you, please visit our shop. At least एक बार आइए आप. This is one of the India's largest mall. So you come here, you know, you can watch movie. अभी theaters भी चालू हो गए. So you can come and with your family, you can have something in food court, opposite food court. यहाँ पे हमारा shop है. You can come and shop around. See these kind of clutches I'll show you. These are pearl ones. These are latest, contemporary, excellent quality, beautiful variety. If I show you, see this. ये पूरे latest ऐसी range, ऐसी variety आपको कहीं दिखने को नहीं मिलेगी. These are all AD stones, sir. पूरे AD stones है ये. इसकी shining जाएगी नहीं. You look in from any angle, it will look excellent. It will look great. Now see, these are pearl clutches. Pearl is in trend again. Pearl is always in trend. Even after 10 years, it will be in trend. लेकिन क्या variety है, कितनी beautiful variety. You shouldn't miss this. You should visit here. Now these are again big clutches, but beautiful variety metal के. आप इसकी quality feel कर सकते हैं, इसकी finishing feel कर सकते हैं. Now these are all AD stones, original AD stones के, you know, center clips हैं. And company will be Zaya Fashion. These all are best companies and exclusive variety. ये आप पहनिए, फिर कबर्ड में रखिए, फिर पहनिए. It will work for years and years, क्योंकि हमारे घर में भी पहनते हैं तो हमें पता है. My mom, she wears it. My wife, she wears it. Everybody. See this. I'll show you some more variety in clutches. Big jumbo clutches with metal में है. All right. Now, if you switch, come here. So this is one of the beautiful varieties. If you see, as far as center clip is concerned, see these are all are AD stones. मेरे पास center clip में कम से कम minimum only in center clip I'm talking about 30 to 40 different variety है, which ranges from say 80 rupees, 100, 120, 150 till 650. मतलब pin to motor car, you can say, as far as hair accessories is concerned. Everybody can afford it. This shop is for everyone. Whatever range you want, you will get it, and over and above it will be best price, guaranteed price, wholesale price and fixed price. का यहाँ पे हम bargain बिल्कुल भी नहीं चलता है, तो nothing to worry. You can bindas come here and shop around. See, these are again, you know, pearl clutches. Pearl clutches में इसमें ही आप ये डब्बे में कम से कम 10-15 variety different shapes वगैरह मिल जाएगा आपको. Now pearls and all, you see these are side clips. I'll show you. अभी सब में rate लिखा हुआ है. See, 200 MRP, you're going to get it only for 130 rupees. See, these are with AD stones and pearls and all, and see the variety. सब एक रेट के नहीं है. All will be different. 100, 90, 130, 150, 200. Rates are written across. This is again side pin with lock with pearls and all. I'll show you. These are center clips. These are beautiful center clips. If you know. See this, beautiful. These are brooch, sari pin. See, this will cost you 150, 190, 100, 120, all different rates. And all rates are written. If I show you 250 MRP का है, आपको 150 रुपए में मिलने वाला है. As far as the price is concerned, price की guarantee है, and quality will be excellent, because once you visit the shop, you will feel the material. You will say, "Arey, wow, what a shop!" Because we receive these comments whenever the customer visit our shop. So visiting is very important. Yes, we do have a facility online. If customer is out of Hyderabad, Secunderabad, you know, you can order online. Minimum is around 2,000. You can buy. There is no problem. Okay, but you know, it's better if you visit here, so you can explore more. Now, if you see, these are side pins, sir. Side pins में बहुत variety है. See these kind of side pins, beautiful AD stones के हैं with beautiful colors and all. These are side pins with lock. Again, see the kind of variety. This is center clip, sir. Zaya company is one of the best company in the world. Okay, these are center clip with pearls. I mean, itni variety nowhere. I guarantee you will not find such variety anywhere. These are again small clutches, medium clutches. These are big clutches. Alright, if you see rubber bands में ऐसी range का आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगी, because these are all AD stones में rubber bands हैं. See these are all AD stones, original AD stones. Now see this, see this, see this. You want the jumbo one, big one. ये खराब नहीं होता sir, because this AD stone है और इसकी finishing सालों साल रहती है. ये बहुत अच्छी quality वाले. Now if I show you these, even these are rubber bands with clip. Okay, and then we have again side clips. These are with stones. Okay, these are in trend, sir. These are very much in trend. We are selling like anything. Even online भी बहुत बिकता है, but यहाँ पे आएंगे तो आपको बहुत सस्ता पड़ेगा. बहुत सस्ता पड़ेगा. Now I'm going to show you these scrunchies. You see, Alright, we called it as Madhubala. We sell like anything. ये stand रहता है, stand बाहर ही रहता है sir. And we have 100 plus variety, colors, combination, and we sell like anything. These are market में 100, 150 में मिलेगा, but you're going to get it for 70 rupees only. Now you get still cheaper also, but this is very good quality, excellent quality, because once you feel the material, you will know it ki what kind of stuff it this is, and this is going to cost you 70 rupees. Thousands of variety. Now if we move here, we have all here accessories set है ये return gift के लिए भी काम आता है, बच्चों को gift देने के लिए भी काम आता है. All are utility item within inside. This will cost you 290, 250, 300, 350, 390. Market में online you'll not get less than 550, 650 anywhere. Anywhere in India you're going to get it more. Here you're going to get it half price, literally half price. We have bindis also. If you see exclusive bindis, बहुत अच्छी quality के bindis भी हैं. Bindis हमारे पास यहाँ पे भी हैं. अगर if you 30 rupees से start होता है, 30, 40, 50 in this stand. We have 50 rupees से लेके 160 तक हमारे पास बिंदी मिल जाएंगे आपको. That too MRP से कम, market से less. These are chains for बच्चों के chains हैं. This kind of chain you'll not get less than 350, 450. Here you are going to get 150 से लेके 200 तक. That's it. ये pearl के simple वाले आपको 50 रुपए में आएंगे. Only 50 rupees. Now these kind of chains, if you see, this will cost you 100 rupees. ये Swan का है 190 rupees. Now if I show you these are fast moving online right now. Excellent. We are selling like hotcake. We are selling like anything. This is called combo set. Combo set is going to cost you only 290 rupees. अभी online आप जाइए, you'll not get less than 499 rupees. You go online, you visit online. It's 499 is the price, but you're going to get it only for 290 rupees. Prices are written on each and every packet, and you get minimum 20 plus variety in combo set only. Please visit the shop to get more information. Now see, if you see these kind of rubber bands, beautiful cute rubber bands with all different shapes, fruit के shapes हैं, teddy है, बहुत सारे soft material है. These are going to cost you 70 rupees. 90 rupees MRP के हैं, लेकिन आपको 70 में मिल जाएंगे. बहुत सारे fruits के हैं, बहुत सारे very nice variety, very excellent quality. Now if you see these kind of clips you're going to get it for 50 rupees, 60 rupees, 70 rupees. All different, excellent quality. If you see all of exclusive one, ordinary नहीं है, बहुत अच्छी quality वाले. Barbie के हैं, ice cream and all. If you see, 50, 60, 70, ये ice cream वाले 70, ये 70. Now if you see these kind of 40 का ये है. It's all different. You get 1000 plus variety as far as clips are concerned. Rubber bands बच्चों के, side pins, tic tac. Beautiful variety. आजकल सर ये भी चल रहा है बहुत. If you see this is beautiful variety. This you're going to get it for only for 120 rupees. ये 250 बिकता है, online बिकता है, but आपको wholesale price मिलने वाला है with minimum 10 to 12 different variety. If you see this, if you focus the camera, you will find such beautiful variety here. Now if I show you these kind of center clips, मैंने आपको golden metal में बताया, ये simple है with stones and all, will cost you 60 rupees, 50 rupees, 70 rupees. All different rates are written on each and every product. We have nail paints also, amazing piece of nail paints. This is 149 MRP. ये particular nail paint की बात कर रहा हूँ, but you're going to get it only for 100 rupees. As I said, everything will be less than MRP. It will be wholesale price only. So this one is 100, this one is 100. Now these ones, if you see, कम से कम 30, 40 different shades है. 30, 40, 50 different shades. We sell like peanuts. It's going to cost you only 50 rupees. Let me tell you one thing. We have very good variety of as far as hair accessories is concerned. So we are located at Sarat City Capital Mall on 4th floor opposite AMB Cinema. Store name is Mamta's Collection. We have 3 stores: accessories, footwear and kurtis. This is an accessory store, so please do visit this shop. This is one of the amazing shop. You shouldn't miss it.
సో వ్యూవర్స్ చూసారు కదండి, మమతా కలెక్షన్స్ వరకు సంబంధించినటువంటి యాక్సెసరీస్ ఐటమ్స్ చాలా ఐటమ్స్ ఉన్నాయన్నమాట. మీరు డైరెక్ట్గా విజిట్ చేస్తే ఇంకా చాలా కలెక్షన్స్ చూడొచ్చు. మంచి మంచి హెయిర్ బ్యాండ్స్ కానివ్వండి, క్లచెస్ కానివ్వండి, ప్లక్కర్స్ కానివ్వండి, సో సైడ్ పిన్స్ కానివ్వండి, ఈ విధంగా వైడ్ రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ కలెక్షన్స్ అనేవి వీళ్ళ దగ్గర అవైలబుల్గా ఉన్నాయండి. అన్ని కూడా మనకి ట్రెండ్కి తగ్గట్టుగా లేటెస్ట్ కలెక్షన్స్ అన్ని కూడా ఇక్కడ దొరుకుతాయి అనమాట. వేరే ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రైజెస్తో పోలిస్తే కనుక మనకి ఆన్లైన్లో కాస్ట్ అనేది ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ మీరు విజిట్ చేస్తే కనుక రీజనబుల్ ప్రైస్కి ఇస్తున్నారు. అన్ని కూడా హోల్సేల్ ప్రైస్కి మనకి రీటైల్లో మీరు సింగిల్ పీస్ 2 పీస్ లా కూడా పర్చేస్ చేయొచ్చు. సో మంచి కలెక్షన్స్ మీరు మిస్ కాకండి, కంపల్సరీ ఇక్కడ విజిట్ చేయండి. మంచి కలెక్షన్స్ మీరు పర్చేస్ చేయగలరు. సో వీళ్ళకి సంబంధించినటువంటి అడ్రస్ డీటెయిల్స్, ఫోన్ నెంబర్ డీటెయిల్స్, వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్స్ అన్ని కూడా క్లియర్గా స్క్రీన్ పైన మెన్షన్ చేస్తాను. ఎలాంటి డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా కూడా కాల్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఈ వ్లాగ్ అయితే ఇక్కడతో ముగించేస్తున్నాను. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కమెంట్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ వ్లాగ్తో మళ్ళీ ముందుంటాను. అంటిల్ దెన్ దిస్ ఇస్ అనుష సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్. బై బై.